The brutal murder of Neha Hiremat in Karnataka's Hubbali. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has once again spoken about the issue during his election rally in Bagalkote. Prime Minister said that the entire country is pained by what happened in Hubbali, but the Congress party is busy shielding its vote bank, even if it comes at the expense of the safety of our daughters. Here's what the Prime Minister said earlier today.
आप सोचिए भाई बहनों, हुबली में क्या हुआ, हमारी एक बेटी के साथ क्या हुआ। जहां शिक्षा का दाम है, हुबली में एक बेटी को एक के बाद एक चाकू के घाव मार दिए जाए, वो दृश्य देखकर हर किसी का दिल दहल गया। लेकिन यहां की पूरी सरकार वोट बैंक को बचाने के बेटी के सम्मान पर ही हमला करने में जुट गई। तुष्टीकरण के लिए कांग्रेस किसी भी हद को पार कर सकती है।
You saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi there take on the Congress party, and this is not the first time. Ever since that shocking murder of Neha Hiremat in Hubbali, visuals of which are on your screens, politics has raged over the issue of a vote bank. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that in Karnataka, when daughters are being killed, the Congress party is trying to shield its vote bank. Leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party also met Neha Hiremat's family in Hubbali. Some Congress leaders also visited Neha's family. There was a demand for a CBI investigation in the case, which the Karnataka government refused, and currently the CID is looking into the matter. Neha, a college-going student, was stabbed brutally by Fayaz, who killed her because she turned down his proposal. The father, who's a Congress corporator, has also alleged that the state government is trying to downplay the gravity of the crime. Currently, you just heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a third or fourth time rake up Neha's murder in the state of Karnataka. This time, Prime Minister going for the jugular. Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying that it is because of appeasement politics that the Congress party or the Congress government in Karnataka is trying to shield the accused. For viewers just joining us on the broadcast, let's tell you once again, let's listen into what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said once again. Earlier today, while addressing a rally in Bagalkote, he raised Neha Hiremat's murder and accused the Congress government of trying to shield the culprits to save its vote bank.
आप सोचिए भाई बहनों, हुबली में क्या हुआ, हमारी एक बेटी के साथ क्या हुआ। जहां शिक्षा का दाम है, हुबली में एक बेटी को एक के बाद एक चाकू के घाव मार दिए जाए, वो दृश्य देखकर हर किसी का दिल दहल गया। लेकिन यहां की पूरी सरकार वोट बैंक को बचाने के बेटी के सम्मान पर ही हमला करने में जुट गई। तुष्टीकरण के लिए कांग्रेस किसी भी हद को पार कर सकती है।
So you heard what the Prime Minister said. यहाँ की सरकार बेटी के सम्मान का नहीं, but जो the culprits, the government tried to shield the culprits. This is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. His fiercest attack on the Congress government after Neha Hiremat's murder. Prime Minister Narendra Modi once again putting the Congress on the mat while talking about the Hubbali murder case. The Prime Minister going on to emphasize that there have been attempts by the Congress party to downplay the case. Now let's tell you what has happened in the case so far. Neha Hiremat, a college-going student, was killed on campus by Fayaz. Fayaz was arrested immediately, but on your screens are visuals of the of the day when Neha was murdered, when Fayaz stabbed her on campus. Imran is joining us live. Imran, Prime Minister Narendra Modi once again has raised Neha's murder at a time when the state is also rocked by another very, very serious controversy. But let's talk about what's happening in the Hubli murder case. Imran will join us in a short while once again. But let's tell our viewers about what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that this incident has shocked the entire nation. He also says that in Karnataka, because of an attempt to appease a vote bank, Congress party is putting the safety of Betis on the back burner. Imran joins us once again on this broadcast. Imran, in Bagalkote, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched his fiercest attack yet on the Congress party when it comes to Neha Hiremat's murder. Tell us what's happening when it comes to the investigation, Imran.